Hello, welcome to ANS Solver. This is the second question of the paper. Okay, so we need to solve this equation. So I'll just write the equation again for your reference. Okay, and we need to give an answer to two decimal places. So now see, the problem here is I have a 9 here, I have a 3 here. The bases are not same. So what I need to do first is I need to make the bases same. For that, I know that 9 can be written as 3 square, correct? So that's what I'll write. I'll write this as 3 square raised to x equals to 3 raised to x plus 12, correct? So now I can write this as 3 raised to 2x equals to 3 raised to x plus 12. So now I can say this is basically 3 raised to 2x minus 3 raised to x minus 12 equals to 0, correct? Now as you can see, this is a quadratic. Okay, so I can say let 3 raised to x be a. So if 3 raised to x is a, then 3 raised to 2x is a square minus a minus 12 equals to 0. So now you can see your quadratic. So now how do we solve this quadratic? So on the calculator, okay, on the calculator, go on mode. When you go on mode, click on 5 where equation is written. Then click on 3. Just do this much first. Now when you click on 3, you get 3 boxes here, correct? In the first box, you put 1, which is the coefficient of a square. In the second box, put minus 1, which is the coefficient of a. And in the last box, put minus 12, which is the constant. Okay, just do that. When you do that, and when you click on equal to, you get your x or your a equals to 4, and you get your a equals to minus 3, correct? But now we know that a is basically 3 raised to x. So I can say 3 raised to x is equal to 4 and 3 raised to x is equal to minus 3. Now, I know to solve something like this, I need to use logarithm. So I can start, let's say I start from here. I can say this is log 3 raised to x equals to log of minus 3. But now if you see, log of a negative number is not possible. That means this option is striked out. We can't get a value of x from here. So now I'll try the other method. This is basically, I'll try to log both sides here. Correct, so this is what I get. Now I can use the log property here, which suggests that log of a raised to b is equal to b log a, correct? So now using this property, I can write this as x log 3 equals to log 4. Now I can write this as x equals to log 4 over log 3. So I can simply use my calc to solve something like this, correct? So just write log 4 over log 3 and the answer you get is 1.26. What is the accuracy there? To 2 decimal places. So yeah, so 1.26 is the final answer of your question.